Congratulations! You have won the PC. Hello, Julian from JulianTechTM here. 2 weeks ago, I built a second-hand PC. You all watch already or not? Go watch or not? Go and watch. And I was thinking of giving away. But honestly, right, this PC is so bad, right? I also don't want to give away. So I'm going to revamp this PC and give it away to one lucky fan. Before we get into that, I want to introduce our sponsor for today, Bandai Namco. They recently released a new anime called SD Gundam World Heroes. That's out every Thursday at 6 PM Singapore timing. This is Sergeant Verde Buster Gundam, a Special Forces police commander who is always calm and cool in the face of trouble. And this is Nobunaga Gundam Epion. He has a katana that you can keep Shing. What? Who are you? From this box, it seems I am Wukong Impulse Gundam. But I'm just a toy? No, it can't be! I can't be a toy. I can't! But who am I? Stop there! No, I am not a toy! To learn more about Bandai Namco's SD Gundam World Heroes and merchandise, click the link below in the description. So this PC is running the i7-4790K with a GTX 1060 3GB Zotac card. Some things I want to change for this PC is obviously the case. You see the case is rusted at the back. There is no I/O shield, but I can't solve that lah. Front also is a little bit rusted. There is actually no SSD slot, so I can't even put like a 2.5 bay HDD drive in. I also want to put in an SSD. We have a SSD for OS. This is 240GB, and then I think this is 750GB of hard drive. And one more thing is the power supply, because this is quite an old power supply, so it might not be good anymore. So I just want to change a power supply to something that is fairly affordable, just 80 plus bronze, 550 watts maybe. I guess what I need is a case and a power supply. You know where to get it? Sim Lim Square, let's go. So I'm at Sim Lim, and apparently there's like cops outside, police. Don't know why. Maybe got some traffic thing. Maybe it's something to do with Sim Lim, I don't know. But let's get a new case and a PSU. Okay, very quick. I already got my PSU and case. The case costs about $40, and for the PSU, I have no idea what brand it is. It's the iGo, $58, so it's affordable, but I think it's reliable enough. I have to go back and install it. Okay, back. I have my case. Very heavy. Case. It's a Game Max Mini Aero 4 fans M-ATX case. Not too bad for a $40 case, eh? I don't know what power supply is this, man. iGo 150 watts, 80 plus bronze, 3-year warranty. So you know, usually how I do it is if there's warranty, okay lah, can lah. Oh, that is really not that bad, huh? It's $40. Really got 4 fans. So the first thing you need to do is obviously take out the PC components from here. Okay, GPU out, 1060. Essentially, I just need to take a motherboard out and the GPU out, and then yeah, I don't need the PSU or anything else. I'll be replacing this stock Intel CPU cooler with the new 11th Gen CPU cooler. What are the benefits? I don't know, but it looks cool. Okay, so let's put some thermal paste. Small X thermal paste. Click, click. Aha! So easy. So easy. Can we remove this side panel? We can. Amazing. Wow. The standoff screws are already in. Perfect. Ta-da! Motherboard install. So if you're watching this and you're wondering what can you take away from this, if you have an old PC and you're still using it and you realize like, oh, this really looks so ugly, you know, you can really do this because it really looks good. The hard drive and SSD is installed. Okay, so we get the SSD into the bay. Everything is done. I did the front panel connector, USB connector, audio connector, power supply. It's definitely not going to be modular. If it's modular, I'll be like, wow. Did a bit of cable management already. Okay, GPU. Let's try to put it like this. Did it. Last but not least, PCIe power. Okay, PC is done. Just no cable management done yet, but I want to test this PC to make sure if everything is running. So, but I mean, look at that. $40 case with a $58 PSU is pretty good. Pretty good. There's some cables hanging around here and there. Got a monitor setup, keyboard, power. Let's press the power button. And it's running. Very nice. Come on. Boot, 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 boot. Monitor not on yet. So we don't have Windows installed yet, but at least it's booting up. BIOS, BIOS, BIOS. Ah, look at that. So we're gonna install Windows, and then after that we're gonna give this away at Orchard Road. Let's go! Okay, right now I'm outside Neon City with the PC that I'm gonna give away, and I'm gonna do the quiz. So I actually posted on Instagram the information to come out here. So if you never follow me, too bad lah. Too bad lah. What's your name?
My name's Jeff.
Jeff.
Yeah.
My name is Jeff.
It's not a joke, right?
No, not a joke.
Okay, okay, sorry. I need you to hold this, but we need to sanitize your hand first. Okay, sanitize a bit. Okay, then this will be your mic. Okay, so I will ask you 3 questions, right? The first question you get correct, right? You win $2.
Oh, okay.
The second question you win $10.
Okay.
The third one you win the PC. So anytime you wrong, right, you got nothing. Okay, so the first question is a tech question, okay? Where do you put your GPU?
In the PCIe slot.
Great, I don't even need the multiple questions, the multiple answers. I don't even need the multiple questions. Okay, correct. $2. Do you want to carry on, or do you want to walk away with $2?
Carry on.
Carry on, okay.
Yeah.
What game do you play?
Play CSGO.
CSGO.
Yeah.
Very nice. How much damage does the M4A1S do to a headshot with armor?
96.
96. Let me check. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro.
Yeah, never mind lah.
I'm sorry, bro. Hey, your friend still got a chance, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, your friend got a chance. Come. Hey, no. Come here, you come here. No. You bring your bag. Must be safe a bit, okay? Okay. What's your name?
Ryan.
Hey, first question. Where do you put the GPU?
On the motherboard, the
Yeah, okay. Yeah, you're right. I mean, you're not wrong.
Yeah.
I'm going to give you multiple questions, multiple choices. A, the DIMM slot. B, LGA114 socket, the PCIe slot.
PCIe.
Okay. Easy lah.
Yeah.
Okay. You win $2. You want to carry on?
Yeah.
Okay, next question. What's your favorite game?
Now I play Call of Duty and Valorant.
Call of Duty and Valorant, okay.
Yeah.
At what distance is the Vandal a one-hit headshot?
It's like any distance, right?
You sure?
Yeah.
I made the mistake here saying that his answer was wrong. I confused the Vandal with the Phantom, which Ryan told me after the shoot when someone already won the PC. I felt so bad that I kinda robbed his chances of winning the PC. So what I'm gonna do is give Ryan a ROG Chakram mouse worth $200. And since Gundam is a sponsor, I'll give you one of the figurines too. So sorry Ryan, but I hope you enjoy your free gift.
What is your name?
Ken.
Sorry?
Ken.
Chen.
Yeah.
Chen, where do you insert or where do you install the GPU?
PCIe slot.
Don't even need multiple choice. Very good, very good. Next one is a gaming question. But what game do you play?
Minecraft.
Minecraft. Wow! The game that I actually don't play. What is the lowest spec GPU you need to play Minecraft with RTX on? Means the lowest one, the first generation and the lowest one.
But now all the car can now play RTX.
Yeah, which one is the first one?
The 2060.
Correct. Okay, last question. But first, do you want the $10 or do you want a PC? This guy, man, this guy. Okay, ready? It's gonna be about the PC. You're gonna look at it.
Yeah.
Something is missing. Ow. Something is missing, okay? Oh my god. Okay, help me hold that. I will turn around. You can tell me to turn as many times as you want.
I think I'm pretty sure I know already.
You only got one chance, I'm gonna turn around.
The IO shield.
Congratulations, you have won the PC.
Oh, thank you.
Wow, his reaction, you can see he's clearly very happy. Sorry guys, he won it. You got all the questions right. I'm gonna pack this for you. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
So, you want to say anything to the viewers?
Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel.
Thank you, very nice. I think we can end it off. 1, 2, 3, we're done.